Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and have you wanted your third brake light to do that blink like a Formula One race car? It's an easy plug-and-play solution, and I want to show you how. All right, y'all, let's talk about this project a little bit and the reasons why you might want to do this into your car. And this really is super simple. It is a simple plug-and-play module from Bimmertech. So this is a great way to add both a safety feature to your car where your third brake light's going to blink when you step on your brakes like a Formula One race car. It's perfect for going to the track or similar. It also is a great way to get extra attention when you're out on the road. So this is such an easy install. I want to show you how to do it and why you'd want to do this in your car, and I want to show you how. Now today we're going to be using my BMW M2C. Each car is going to be a little bit different, but BMW is very similar throughout. So showing in my car is going to be very similar to a lot of other cars. All right, so let's jump in the back seat and let's get this installed. All right, y'all, so here we are in the back seat. As we look up, I don't know if you've ever noticed, but you've got a cover right here on your roof itself. This is covering all of the electrical connections and everything that you need for your third light right here. Now, every BMW is going to be a little bit different, but similar enough that these instructions should work for you no matter what car you have. So just simply use a plastic trim tool, very gently get underneath this cover and slowly pull it away because there's a series of little plastic fingers that hold this into place. So go ahead and gently pull this down and pull it out. All right, so really quickly, now that the cover's off, you can see we've got a couple of these expanding plastic rivets that BMW loves to use. And then you've got a series of fingers here across the back edge. So what I did was I loosened it a little bit along this edge, but this is where those fingers go in, right? So it's actually these posts right here and right here that are holding it primarily in place. So once it was a little bit loose, I got my fingers under this lead edge, very gently pulled down on this edge to get this clip out, pull down on that edge, and then the whole thing came off. Now, like I said, this is really simple. This is power wire right here. See the blue power wire right here? So go ahead and pull that out just like that, and you're gonna plug the new module in. All right, y'all, it really is that simple. Like I said, this is probably one of the easiest DIYs you're ever gonna do. So go ahead and take the original cable, plug it into the one side of the box from Bimmertech, plug the box back in. I put a little bit of double-sided adhesive right here so I could push the box up and it'll hold nice and tight. That way it doesn't rattle around because I hate rattles. Make sure your cables are not in the way of anything. Just like this one was in the way a little bit right there. And you're good to go. So go ahead and just put the cover back on and you're done. All right, y'all, all done, and I warned you that the description would be longer than the install itself. That really is about 15 seconds. Pull the cover, plug the box in, put the cover back on, and you're good to go. Thank you to Bimmertech for making such a fantastic product. This is such just plug and play simplicity, and it's gonna give you additional safety on the road, whether you're on the road or going to the track. And this is something you can add so easily and really toolless. If you got your fingers underneath that cover and popped it down and popped out those little plastic rivets, you can do this out without any tools at all. Please click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I have so much content coming for you that I cannot wait to show you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.